Have you ever stared at a spreadsheet full of numbers and felt completely lost? Or sat in a meeting, watched someone present a beautiful dashboard and thought, I wish I could do that? You are not alone, and you are in the right place. Welcome to the course, Introduction to Data Analytics with Power BI, a joint initiative of the Ministry of Education, Government of India, and German Development Cooperation, GIZ, implemented in partnership with Indira Gandhi National Open University, IGNOU, under the Digital Skills to Succeed project. This course is for you, whether you work in sales, HR, finance, operations, or run your own business. You do not need any coding skills. You do not need an IT background. All you need is data on your screen and a desire to make better sense of it. By the end of this course, you will be able to take raw, messy data, clean it, connect it, and build dashboards that drive real decisions. Imagine walking into your next meeting with a live, interactive report that tells a clear story. That is what you are going to build in this course. Module 1 is the big picture. What is data analysis? What is business intelligence? You will install Power BI Desktop, import your very first dataset, and explore built-in AI features that automatically surface insights for you without writing a single formula. Module 2 is about trust. Real-world data is messy, full of duplicates, blank cells, and wrong formats. Using Power Query, you will clean it all up, step by step. Think of it as preparing your ingredients before cooking a great meal. Garbage in, garbage out, you fix that here. In Module 3, you connect the dots. You link multiple data tables together, build relationships, and start asking smart questions using DAX, Power BI's built-in formula language. Do not worry, the approach is simple and practical. You will calculate sales by region and filter results with just a few clicks. Module 4 is where your data comes alive. You will design dashboards with KPI cards, interactive charts, and filters. And you will learn the art of storytelling with data, so your audience does not just see numbers, they understand what to do next. Module 5 takes you beyond numbers. Have customer feedback, survey responses. You will turn words into word clouds, calculate sentiment scores, and build trend charts that show how your customers feel over time. Qualitative data made quantifiable. And Module 6 is the grand finale, a complete retail case study. You will build a full professional report from scratch. Connect data, clean it, model it, design the dashboard, and tell the business story. Everything you have learned, applied in one real-world project. Every module in this course is hands-on. Real datasets, real scenarios, step-by-step guidance. Data is no longer just for data scientists. It belongs to everyone who wants to make smarter decisions. And that includes you. Let us get started.